This is a message from the Hoover Web Yearbook. We need you to help create the 2020-2021 Web Yearbook. This is a yearbook where everybody belongs, but it's definitely a different type of year. Help us document it by contributing your photos to our 2020-2021 yearbook. We welcome all and any photos that you have, as well as your story contributions. Please check out our website, which is at our bit.ly/Hoover-yearbook, where you'll find descriptions and suggestions of pictures to take, video directions on how to upload the images, and submission forms. This month, here's what we're looking for some of our special yearbook pages in the making. Hawks participating in sports or performing arts. You might be doing this outside of school, of course, due to our current situation. Hawk families with their pets. Selfies that include your dogs, cats, rabbits, turtles, lizards, rats, anything you have at home. Part of the family. Hawk families enjoying a safe Thanksgiving. We are off for the next couple of days, so take lots of pics of prepping your meals, setting the table, and enjoying a safe gathering with the loved ones in your home. Hawk families enjoying their favorite outdoor activities. So if you go for a walk, a hike, camping, bike ride, skateboarding, anything you do outdoors with your family. Playing games, so taking pictures of our Hawk students on their favorite gaming console with their headphones on, talking to their buddies, or images of the different cool things that you create online. And then lastly, we're looking for a page built around our student hobbies and talents. What are you good at? What are you spending all of your time at home practicing and learning? This might be a talent you've had for a while or something you're trying out brand new during our quarantine. To upload your photos, you can do one of two things. You can actually go to our website here, which I'll show you in a moment, or you can upload them directly onto our yearbook creation website, which is at images.jostens.com. You'll need this special ID number, but that's also found on our website in case you lose it. So let's take a look at this website. If you click on the link here, you'll start off on our homepage, which has another great reminder of how we need your help. The difference on this page, though, is you can go ahead and start uploading your photos right off of the homepage. For example, if you have an image of you participating in a particular hobby, you just go ahead and click on the link. You fill out your email address, write your first and last name, student ID number, tell us a little bit about your hobby, and then you're ready to add a photo. So you click on Add File, upload from your device or computer, select an image, and wait for it to upload. Now, I accidentally uploaded one of my pet, but that's okay. Our yearbook staff will go ahead and sort these out. If you can, try to upload it in the right spot, but if not, that is okay. Just tell us a little bit about the picture you are uploading. And there we go. In less than 30 seconds, I have my photo uploaded, and then I go ahead and hit submit. You can click on any one of these categories. You can also find some additional places to upload your photos by going here. Now, all of these will end up being photo pages in our yearbook. So we have one for Fall Fest, Latinx culture, Fall Break, Spirit Week, Pride, pets, hobbies, performing arts, and sports. Now, let's say that you want to upload a photo that's not quite on here. That's okay too. So like I said, we also have this website, images.jostens.com, and you can enter any photos there, attach your name, use this photo ID number, and we will get it directly into our yearbook creation website. Now, if I go back to the homepage, I want to show you one more cool thing before we go. If you're starting to get curious about what's going to happen with these photos, you can check out our image gallery here. Now, these are not all of the photos that we have for our yearbook so far, but there's a good chunk of photos here and some really cool activities. The latest two that have been added are our Hoover Chalk Fest PowerPoint, as well as our Loteria with Maestra Casareto Chapman and Miss Learn. So all you need to do here is go ahead and click on the image, and you'll automatically be invited to view some of the images we've gotten in so far. Look at all of these amazing art pieces. Same thing is true for clicking on Loteria, Ice Cream Activism, ASB Elections. So you can click on any one of these and take a look at what is happening on our campus online. And these will be updated as we go. Announcements will be posted in our virtual activities page on Canvas so that you know when to check out any new photos. But these are the ones that we are collecting for this month. So take some photos with your family during this time off and use any one of our uploading tools to go ahead and upload them onto our site. And one last one. If all else fails, you can email me directly at ausan@sjusd.org in order to upload your photos. We won't be able to create this time capsule without you. We want to create a yearbook where everybody belongs, that really documents how crazy this year actually is. So send us all the pictures you can and stay posted. Keep checking out our web yearbook site, which is also linked off of our school's homepage, so you have lots of access to it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and thank you for listening. This has been a message from your web yearbook staff at Hoover Middle School.